Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you and tell you how you can find friends nearby in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, pause. Let's get started. To do this, we need to open the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner click on our profile picture. Then in the top left corner we click on the gear. And then we have to scroll down. To find the See My Location section. See my location. All right. Hit it. Then you need to make sure that you have ghost mode turned off at the top of the screen. If it's deactivated like mine is, then that's good. What we do next is we go to our page, then we scroll down to the bottom, and we find the Snap Map section. And we can see our friends. Or we can click on the map and here we can see where we are. If we zoom in and out on this map, we can see where our friends are. And in order to start chatting with them, we have to either click on the circle underneath a person or click on the person themselves to go straight to the message section. But keep in mind that this function only works if the person has the ghosting function turned off. So as you can see, I don't have many of my friends showing here. Or you can click on the circle with the image on it. Even though I have a lot more, you'll see the history of that person and you can also go to their profile or you can write to them. This is how you can find friends nearby on Snapchat, but only if they don't have ghosting turned off, and you do too. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you later.